I just can't wait. We'll see what happens here. I got a colonoscopy a year ago, and that came out negative, so we're going to find out. Supposedly this is what was causing my urination issue, not a infected bladder. Okay, that wasn't fun. They gave me a shot in my ass, and then as they were going in, they were giving me, what do you want to call it? Numbing agents as they were going in, and then whatever they were doing inside, they were sticking something in and clicking it, and that was probably what might be taking the samples off prostate. About 20 minutes. Very intense because you're feeling that the whole time, but it went smooth, and in about 3 weeks you can tell me what's going on. So now I can go home. I feel like I kicked in my ass here because of that sedative. Okay, supposedly I'm gonna have blood in my stool and urine for a little while, and they gave me an antibiotic to take tonight around 8 o'clock. Man, it still hurts my ass. God, that's a new meaning to pain in the ass. Oh man. Hello. I'm going the right direction. Oh man. You're kicking me in the ass. I'm on the right floor, right? I think so. No, I think you're in the wrong area here. I should just get on the elevator. This ain't right. Ain't that something? Second floor. Sit on. I remember going down here. Where the heck is the way out here? I'm in the basement. Reception. Let's go to the elevator. Okay. Let's go home. I'm on the ground. Let's go to one. Ah, man. That's kicking me in the ass. All right, that's over with, thank God. I just gotta see the doc in 3 weeks. And we'll find out what my prostate looks like. Man, a shot in my butt still hurts. All right, I am now home. I had to make a short detour to Lowe's because my gut, I just could not hold it any longer. You just don't know whether you're gonna fart and blow, you know. So I stopped in Lowe's, and sure enough, I had to go. I had a good combination of diarrhea and piss and blood. So you're gonna have that happen if you get a biopsy up your anal. So for a prostate exam, or should I say prostate biopsy. So they're gonna see if let me know in about 3 weeks. I'm sure they'll let me know sooner if they find something that's not right. So anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. And you'll catch me on the next Dana Crosby's Vlogs, Human Drama.